Oh, hi everyone. My name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. I've been growing food for about 17 seasons, and for 13 seasons, along with my wife, we owned and operated a certified organic farm just outside of Seattle, Washington, where we grew fruits and vegetables for various Seattle farmers markets. And after 24 years living in Washington State, we have moved back to our home state of Michigan. And we are now in Southeast Michigan, where we have 2 seasons under our belt here, getting used to these warm summers again. But the idea with this channel is that we wanted to show you and take you through the journey from seeding all the way through planting and harvesting at the garden level, and kind of use some of those things that we learned when we were farming and apply those here to the garden. So we hope you'll join us and you'll watch some of these videos and that you'll learn something, and who knows, we may even learn something from you, and that's okay. So please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and that you hit the notifications bell so that you can be informed when we have a new video that comes up. And we look forward to sharing our experiences in the garden with you. Hope everyone has a super day, week, month, year, whatever it is you're out there doing. We hope you're doing well.